Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another tutorial of object-oriented programming. I am with you MD Shajadur Ahmed, and today we are going to discuss about encapsulation in Java. So let's begin. So first of all, let us discuss about what is encapsulation. So encapsulation is a process of packaging variable and methods into a single unit. Encapsulation is a process of protecting data by declaring them as private. As we know, private data will be hidden from other classes and they only can be accessed through the method of their current classes. So if we actually declare a method or an attribute as private, we know that is actually it is hidden from other classes, or other class cannot access a method or an attribute which is declared as private access modifier. So this is actually known as data hiding. So encapsulation helps Java programmer to hide their data or hide their necessary information from the outside world or outside class. So let us see an example, coding example of encapsulation. So you can see there are two classes, class 1 and class 2. So there first class 1 named as encapsulation class. There are an attribute which is actually declared as private and another attribute which is declared as default. As you know that if we does not mention any access modifier, then it is treated as default. And then if we are going to try to access the first one, the address attribute, then what happened? It cannot be accessed from another class. But there is a way that we can access the class access the attribute from this class, and this is called actually setter and getter method. So if we set setter and getter method in the encapsulation class, then another class can use or access this method with the help of the setter and getter method. As we can see, there are a set address method and also get address method. And now as the row number which is actually declared as default, class 2 can access the default attribute, but this class cannot access directly the address attribute. It can only be accessed through the setter and getter method. As we can see, first of all, it has been set the value, the address value as the Mondi, and then it get the method. So that's how actually the data hiding works. So the variable is declared as private, so it is hidden from other classes. It can only be accessed by other classes through set method of class 1. So it can only be accessed through the set method. So we can say that the address variable is hidden or has been encapsulated. So we can say that this attribute is actually encapsulated from outside class or outside package. So what are the benefits of encapsulation? Benefits are data hiding, reusability. Code can be modified without breaking the continuation. So we can modify a code without breaking or without going up or going down. And the code maintainability. Hiding implementation detail, reduce complexity. So if we hide the implementation details, then it will reduce actually the complexity. So that's all from the part of encapsulation. So hopefully we learn how actually encapsulation works in Java, how it actually helps to hide detailed information from the outside world. So we'll meet in next tutorial again. Till then, everyone, please stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.